Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at adding or subtracting by tens, hundreds, and thousands. And it's pretty easy, so let's just get started. 52 plus 10, I'm adding one 10 unit to 52, to the 5 here. So this is 62 like that. 48 plus 10, we're adding a single 10 to the 4. So 58 like that. 92, 13, 50, 42, 88, 102 like that. It's like we have 10 tens like that. That's another way of thinking about it. 108, 142, right? We're adding a 10 to the tens like that. So 142, 682, and 933 like that. It's that easy. So go ahead and compute the following for practice number 1. Okay, we're back. So we have 33, 58, 69, 103, 44, 89, 113, 139, 642, 12, 31, 64. And here we're taking away a 10 from the tens. So it's going to be 22. And same thing here. We're taking a 10 away from the tens. So we have 51 like that. Okay, computing with the hundreds and the thousands. I'll do some examples and then you get to practice after. So we're adding 100 to the hundreds like that. So 782. 100 to the hundreds. 893. 100 to the hundreds. 337. We're subtracting 100 from the 4. So it's 387 like that. Another subtraction, so 537. And now we're back to an addition. 4 100s plus 1 is 5 100s. Here we have 100 plus a 0 like that, so it makes 122. 441, 101 like that. So here there's 0 100 plus 100, so we have 100 like that. 163, same thing. 0 plus 1 is 1. Here we have a subtraction, so 321. The 100 here minus 1, 321. 9, the 109 here minus 1, so 899. Here we have 1,000, 6,000 minus 1,000, so that's 5,000. And here we're adding 1,000, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Like that. It's that easy. So go ahead and practice the following numbers. Go ahead and pause the video. Okay, we're back. So 4 plus 1, 5, 581, 771, 421, 687, 889, 7781, 6312, 231. There's an imaginary 0 here. 1,000 minus 1, 0. 599, 581, 877. Here we have 1,000 plus a 0,000 like that. So it's 1777 like that. And 9,000 minus 1,000 is 8,000. 3 plus 1 is 4. And that's it. It's that easy. See you in the next lesson.